Greetings everyone, this is Tony Holowitz and I want to show you how to work with adding a contact in Act Companion. So when you're in Act Companion, you'll notice a little circle down on the bottom right hand corner with a plus sign in it. I'm going to press that plus sign and we go inside a contact. Now up top it says scan a card, and you're supposed to be able to scan a card, but my experience has been that is wide open to issues and I never recommend it. So let's say we just want to go in here, and I clicked in the first field, and I'm just going to do one of two things. Either I can type stuff in, so I'm just going to type in Fred, and I'm now going to click in the last name, but this time instead of typing it in, and this is where I think it's awkward, I rarely enter information this way, only because of the fact that I'm not a great typist on these small devices. I find it's easier to enter information in either the desktop version of Act or the cloud version. It's just I want a full keyboard to do this. But one of the advantages of working with Act Companion and an iPhone is I can put information in using the microphone. Let me show you what I'm going to do. Smith, ABC Company Incorporated. President, 777 922-1000. So this gives you some idea how you can go in and enter information. You can go down the screen. There's other areas you can fill in. But at this point, I'm just going to press save, and I'll save that information into Act, right back into Act. So I'm going to click back. And at this point, I'm going to navigate to Act on my desktop. Look up, last name, Smith. We might have more than one person, but here's Fred Smith. So when you're entering information right into Act Companion, you will see that this is a direct connection to your Act database. So it gets the information in there immediately. Here is another example of some of the things you can do with Act Companion. Entering a contact is something you might find useful. Thank you very much. Everyone have a great day. Be well.